In this tutorial, we will show you how to securely share digital evidence with the court or opposing counsel without sending raw files or risking data leaks. Select the evidence file and click Generate Discovery Link. You can restrict access by setting a custom PIN code and expiration timeframe. To prevent leaks, SatyamevHash also supports dynamic visual watermarking, overlaying the recipient's IP and email on the screen, so any unauthorized leaks are instantly traceable back to the source. Copy the secure link. When the opposing counsel or judge opens it, they will be prompted to complete a secure handshake by entering the PIN code you provided. Once verified, the recipient enters a secure, read-only portal. They can browse the interactive chat timeline and search for keywords, but cannot alter the data or download the raw files without permission. Returning to your chamber's portal, the system automatically registers the access event. The log records the recipient's exact IP address, timestamp, and browser fingerprint, establishing an audited chain of custody.